Agregard, United States Air Force. Edwin Cecil Brown, United States Coast Guard. Jack L. Boussard, United States Air Force. Larry Wayne Cason. Stephen William Doty, United States Air Force. Oscar A. Ingham, United States Navy, World War II. Edmund Lynn Hart, Sr., United States Navy, Submarine Service, World War II. Francis Frank W. Hood, United States Navy, 1945 to 1946. Lloyd Harland Hull. Henry Joseph Job Jr., United States Coast Guard. Robert E. Joustson, United States Coast Guard. Bruce G. Kirk, United States Air Force, 1963 to 1971. Charles Edward Knapp. John Edward Lacey, United States Coast Guard, 1941 to 1961. Ronald Gene Matthews. Charles Trapper McDermott, National Guard. Jimmy Eugene Milstead, United States Air Force. Homer Lee Morrison, United States Army. Robert Warren Phillips, United States Navy. Sergeant First Class Tim L. Reber, United States Army. Korean War, Vietnam. Cornell Wayne Roberts, United States Navy. Wilbur Lewis Schultz, United States Navy. Roger Nielsen Spencer. Clyde Richard Stice, Jr. Henry Albert Tretchell, United States Army. Albert J. Trevino. Stephen Nicholas Troja. Master Sergeant L. M. West, United States Air Force. James J. Willett, United States Navy, Korean War. Edward William Workman.